Good morning, you guys. You wouldn't believe what I'm doing right now. So, it's literally 7:10 a.m. I can't right now. It's too freaking early. I need to stop cussing. But it's 7:10 a.m. Y'all not even gonna guess. Just guess. Guess what I'm about to do on Sunday. 7 a.m. I just left McDonald's too. I got some McDonald's hotcakes and sausage and a caramel hot latte. But anyway, I'm on my way to the gym. So, you guys know I've been taking Pilates, and ever since I've been taking Pilates, I'm motivated. I'm fucking motivated now. And I just said I was gonna stop cursing like that. But I'm motivated now, and I just want to go to the gym. And all this time I've been like, oh, I need a gym membership. Not even knowing, not even knowing that my job, well, I did know this, but I didn't even put two and two together. My job has a whole gym. And my job is in this rich neighborhood, gated community. So it's a nice freaking gym. It has a sauna and all that. So today I work at 9 a.m. It's 7 right now. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just wake the up and go to the gym, because my Pilates classes are 1 hour long. So if I just mess around in the gym for 1 hour, it's equivalent to the same shit, right? I'm like, okay, I can't not cuss, but it's equivalent to the same shit, right? We're about to see. But yeah, I have too much energy. I haven't even drank my coffee yet, so I'm about to try to cut my food right now before it gets cold. And I'll see y'all when I get there. I also just want to know, when you begin working out, when you're a beginner, I look so fucking pale right now. But when you begin working out and you're a beginner, how do you know what to do and what not to do? I just ate McDonald's before going to the gym. That, after I ate it, it didn't make no sense to me. But I was like, that's just what I would normally do. I'm gonna go to the fucking McDonald's for the gym. But yeah, so I don't know. So don't judge this vlog. I'm literally just going to the gym because I couldn't get a Pilates class today. Literally. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go bowling, and I just wanted to take my outfit and show you guys my outfit. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear. These jeans, this is Princess Polly, and then I just have this black crop top. I'm just going with my coworkers, so I'm not gonna do too much, but I don't know. It's just black. It's just a fucking crop top. It's just but yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this. What do y'all think? I haven't worn this black shirt in a long time. This is giving. And I know my braids are long overdue, so I'm just trying to get all the growth I can. Yeah, I don't know what my nose is. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to catch you up. Let me see if they have a drive-thru. I'm at the bank right now. I'm in the city where we're supposed to be going bowling. It was 30 minutes away from my house. And I got here 30 minutes early because I knew I had to go stop at the bank. Ooh, yeah, they do have a drive-thru. I knew I had to stop at the bank, and I knew I wanted to smoke. So we planned to go around 4:30. So it's 3:54 now. I'm already here. I did change my hair because that clip kept coming out, but it was cute. But I want to update y'all. So yesterday, or 2 days ago, maybe 3, I don't even know if I should say who it is. This girl gave me, I just got goosebumps. This girl gave me some shrooms, the chocolate bar kind. And she was just yeah, I don't want them. I was like, wow, that's crazy. I haven't done shrooms since the summertime, but anyway. that is beside the fact. Two of my nails came on before I was leaving. So yeah, she gave me the shrooms chocolate bar, right? And it was like just like 4 squares left, so it looked like she had like finished majority of it. I can't even talk. Like I want to tell y'all what I'm trying to say so bad, but I have to tell you how it led up to that. So yeah, so I was like, oh cool. So I was gonna save them to do them with my brother because he has been getting into doing shrooms and I have yet to shroom with him, because I'd be like, you got it. But yeah, so I just took them and I was like, cool. So I've been had them. Long story short, today my coworker's like, let's go bowling, and I just wanted to try them. So before I left the house, I took like a little bite. Like, y'all, it wasn't even a full square. It wasn't even half of a square. It was like a third of a square. Like literally, just because I wanted to taste it. And let me tell y'all, I am not even tripping, but I feel that shit. Like literally. I was driving over here and I was like, oh my God, like the clouds are so pretty. So yeah, that was that. So yeah, I'm streaming right now. I guess I've been watching videos about like microdosing and stuff like that, and I've always wanted to try it. And before I ate it, I was like looking up like, what is microdosing? If anybody knows what microdosing is, comment down below. Like, I kind of know what it is, but I need a better understanding. But yeah, so I'm microdosing today, you guys. I'm not gonna tell none of my coworkers, but it only took a little bit. I felt like I was like peaking. If you still peak when you microdose, I don't know. I felt like I felt it the most when I was driving here on the freeway. I was like, oh my God. And like right before I left, I couldn't find my keys. And I was like tearing my room up, getting so frustrated. Like sweating. I was like, I need to relax. Like, twin, just vibe. Like, literally. But yeah, so to waste time right now, I'm at the bank depositing my cash. So yeah, that's all I had to say. I just thought that was like fucking hilarious because I just took it, like just taking, I was like, I'm not even gonna fucking feel it. I just want to taste them, move on about my day. But I couldn't even move on about my day accordingly because I felt it. So I guess now I know they're strong. I'm kind of glad I tried it, so whenever I do want to shroom for real, then I'll be prepared, because woo, shit like punched me in the face driving here, literally. But now it's I'm not saying it's going away now, but it's not as strong as what it was. Y'all want to watch me deposit my money? You guys, my last clip was basically, I hate when I'm like too fucking far. I be trying to get my car like right there. So yeah, yesterday you guys saw I woke up super fucking early. I didn't go to sleep actually. For the last couple of days, oh, wrong one. It's cold out here. And I am just like this, it's crazy. Yeah, I didn't go to sleep yesterday. I had pulled an all-nighter. Went to the gym at my job at 7:30 a.m. I wasn't scheduled to work till 9. Worked the whole full day. I don't want to deposit my twos. I've been trying to save all my $2 bills. Hello. Sorry guys, I cannot multitask. Yeah, so I worked a full shift off no sleep yesterday from 9 until 3:30. And then I came home, I went to the store, I bought Benadryl, and I was out, baby. I went to sleep at like 7:50, like 8 o'clock-ish. And I was out the full night. I was supposed to work today, but she texted me early in the morning. I don't have to worry about coming. And I went back to sleep. Yeah, so I had went back to sleep, and then I had woke up to another text, and she was like, oh, the weather's starting to clear out. Do you think you can get here by noon? And by the time I had read that, I woke back up at like 12:30. And I was like, girl, like, I went back to sleep. I mean, I can get there by 1:30. Like, so unprofessional. My job is so unprofessional, actually. Yeah, I definitely feel the shrooms. Every time I try to be like, oh, I don't feel them, I just take a fucking diet, they be like, bitch, you're lying. So yeah. These are the vibes right now. I can't believe I did that. Honestly, this looks so fucking ratchet. Whew. So yeah, you guys are watching me microdose for the first time. Honestly, it's not that strong. Like if it was too strong, I would turn around. I would turn around and go home. Like I wouldn't even feel comfortable being off shifts in front of my coworkers, just because like I don't really fuck with my coworkers like that. Like I'm literally going because my one specific coworker asked me to go. And the first time I catted, if you're not from Cali, like where you be flaking, when you're flaky. Once I came to Cali, and I hate that word. Like I literally hate the word catting. Like your cat, I fucking hate that. But anyway, I catted the first time. And yeah, so here we are. But I don't even know how I'm about to go with these nails on. What was I saying? I forgot.
Every time he has pressure in the pocket, intercepts it.
That's true. How y'all doing over there?
Guaranteed.
He's a choke on. We're gonna do one more, maybe. We're gonna choke in that Super Bowl there.
Yes.
Was that 3 years ago?
I think he threw.
I think you're ready for
like
it.
2 interceptions.
Disingenuous.
And then he turned over the ball like 3 times. I was
They
like,
were
dude,
winning.
fucking 5 hours.
Vlogging. Fucking.
If you have your thumb.
You are solid. So.
Better have many fucking stripes. I hope.
Yeah, it's like better if you take the jacket off all the way.
I'll take it as a cover. I golf. What's that have to do with it? Yo, golf has a lot to do with it.
Fucking dead.
You saw that, right?
I did.
Okay.
For balls and holes.
Look at it. I never understood.
What can I get with an ice cream yogurt gift card?
That's adorable.
More taste out of it.
Yay. Looks good. I need this whole gone. Me too. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. Good morning. You guys saw in the last clip I was getting some orange juice. I'm getting ready to leave to Pilates. I just pulled up. I don't think I'm gonna bring my phone in today. But yeah, I came yesterday. It was a good day. And I'm coming back tomorrow. Trying to stay consistent, you know. But yeah, I was just updating y'all. Today's Friday. After this, I'm gonna go back home and make breakfast. So yeah, I'll see you guys after looking Pilates.